In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bell curve in Microsoft Excel. A bell curve, also known as a normal distribution, is an effective way to visualize how your data spreads around an average value. It helps you understand patterns, identify extremes, and see how concentrated or dispersed your dataset is. Even though Excel doesn't have a dedicated bell curve chart, we can achieve it using a combination of formulas and a scatter plot. First, you need a numeric dataset. In our example, the raw data is listed in column C of the table. To start, calculate the mean of your data, which will act as the center of the bell curve. In column D, type equals average of C2 to C13 and press enter. This calculates the average value of your dataset. Next, calculate the standard deviation to measure how spread out the numbers are. In the next cell in column D, type equals stdev.s of C2 to C13 and press enter. This value will control the width of your curve. Once you have the mean and standard deviation, create a sequence of x values in column A. These values represent the horizontal axis of your bell curve, usually starting slightly below your minimum data point and ending slightly above your maximum. In our table, the x values start at 55 and increment by 1 all the way to 95. Using smaller increments, like 0.5, will create an even smoother curve. In column B, we calculate the corresponding bell curve values for each x value using the norm.dist function. In the first cell of column B, type equals norm.dist of A2, $D$2, $D$3, false, and press enter. The formula references the mean and standard deviation in column D as absolute references, ensuring that when you copy it down, all the calculations remain correct. Drag the fill handle down along all x values so that every point has a corresponding bell curve value. With both the x values in column A and the bell curve values in column B ready, highlight these two columns. Go to the Insert tab, select Scatter Chart, and choose Scatter with Smooth Lines. Excel will automatically plot a smooth bell-shaped curve representing your dataset. Finally, you can enhance your chart by adding a title, axis labels, or adjusting the size to make it more readable. The bell curve will visually show the concentration of your data around the mean and the tapering at the extremes. This method works for test scores, performance metrics, or any dataset that follows a normal distribution. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.